Good morning students. I hope you all are happy and safe in your home. So today let us go to the second session of first chapter Padmini the Princess. In second session grammar part is there. So let us come to the grammar part, page number 5. We have learned that a noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. Yes, noun means it's a name of a person, place, thing or animal. It may be any names like Rashmi, Shobha, Hina. So like this it may be any name. Okay, the name of a person or place, Mumbai, Gadag, Dharwad, Chennai. Okay, it may be the name of a place also. Things like table, chair, duster, board. Then animals like dog, cat, elephant, lion, cheetah. Okay, it will be the name of a particular place, person, animal or thing. Okay, in this noun again it is divided into common noun or proper noun. So let us study that in the grammar part, in the grammar English one we can study it. Okay, now let us know this. Underline the nouns in these sentences. We have to only underline the nouns in these sentences. As I said you, noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animal which describes the name of a person, place, thing or animal. Okay, here let's see here. First one, father and Manoj uncle took me along to her house. Yes, see here, father and Manoj uncle took me along to her house. Here, what is the name of a person? Person here, see, father, it indicates a person, right? So, father and Manoj uncle. Manoj uncle means it is a name of a person, right? Manoj uncle is also a name of a person. So, father and Manoj uncle took me along to her house. Okay. Next, see here, house. House is like a place. Okay, park, house. Understood? So, these are nouns here which are, see, father and Manoj uncle. It indicates name of a person. Took me along to her house. House, place, like it is a place. Understood? So, these are some nouns. Second one, he cleaned and stitched Padmini's wound gently. See, he cleaned and stitched Padmini's wound gently. What is there here? It is name of a elephant, Padmini. It is a name, right? Name of a elephant. So, he cleaned and stitched Padmini's wound gently. Okay, this indicates a noun. Fine. Now coming to third one, I poured many buckets of water into her mouth. See, I poured many buckets of water into her mouth. Here, what is the noun here? See, bucket. Bucket is a thing, right? Bucket is a thing. Understood? Even water also. Okay. See, we can study this common noun and proper noun in the grammar part, English 1 part. Okay. Now, see, buckets and water. Understood? It describes noun. So next, we always go to Dr. Reena. She is our doctor. See here. Dr. Reena. It's the name of a person and doctor. It indicates a person, doctor. Who is she? She is a doctor. Okay. Here, fifth one. The elephant has such a long trunk. See, elephant. The elephant has such a long trunk. Trunk also. Understood? Next, Kiran is going to Mumbai. Yes, Kiran is a name of a person. And Mumbai, it is the name of a place. Understood, students? See, underline the nouns in these sentences. Noun means it is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. See here. Father and Manoj uncle, it describes a name. Okay. See, Padmini, name, bucket, thing, water also thing. Dr. Reena, it is the name of a person. Doctor, it indicates Reena, so it is a person, same person. Elephant, name of a animal, thing, trunk. Kiran, it's a name, and Mumbai, it's a place. Understood? So, coming to the next part here. See, complete these sentences with the abstract noun from the words in the color. See, here some words are in color, some words are in color. We have to write the abstract noun for this word. Understood? Okay, let us see. What do you mean by abstract? See here. Okay, the word in color are called abstract nouns. The word in color. See, kind, brave, honest. Understood? See, what do? They are nouns that cannot be seen or touched, but it can only be felt. See, it cannot be seen or touched. It can only be felt. Okay. See, abstract nouns do not have a plural form. Yes, abstract form. See, abstract noun do not have the plural form. For example, kinds, grows. Understood? Okay, braves, we can't say like that, na? Kinds, we can't say. So, it doesn't have plural form. Okay, some abstract nouns are made by adding NESS. See, some abstract nouns, here I'll write, some abstract nouns are made by using NESS, okay, MENT, understood, and DOM. Okay, understood? See, some abstract nouns are made by adding NESS, MENT, DOM, like kingdom. Understood? Like that. Understood? See, here we'll write the words now. Sometimes a word changes completely to form the abstract noun. Yes, here some words it changes completely to form the abstract noun. For example, beautiful. Beautiful means, see how we should write abstract noun for beautiful. Beauty. Okay, beautiful, beauty. Hot, heat. Understood? The word is completely changed right here. So, now let us learn here. Complete these sentences with the abstract noun from the words in color. See, here the words are in color. Kind, grow, brave, honest, and laugh. Understood? So we have to write the abstract noun. We have to write the words here. Understood? Prakash is so kind. See, Prakash is so kind to his pet. Okay, Prakash is so kind to his pets. They love him for his kindness. As I said, you will add NESS. Okay, for his kindness. There's one example for this. Okay, next one. Plant grows well in our garden. Plants grow well in our garden. See, plant grow well in our garden. The sunlight helps their growth. Understood? The sunlight helps their growth. GROWTH. Understood? See, next. Those soldiers were really brave. Those soldiers were really brave. The newspapers wrote about their bravery. About their bravery. 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 Understood? Next. Kumar is very honest. Kumar is very honest. Okay. He told the teacher that he did not complete his homework. See, Kumar is very honest. He told the teacher that he did not complete his homework. The teacher was pleased with his, see, for this word what will come? Honesty. 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 Understood, students? Okay. Next. Last one, we laugh loudly. See the word laugh here. We laugh loudly when we watch cartoons on television. We laugh loudly when we watch cartoons on television. Our dash wakes up grandfather. What? Our laughter. 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 Okay. Understood? See here again, I'll repeat it. We laugh loudly when we watch cartoons on television. Our laughter wakes up grandfather. Coming to the next one, look at these words. Write phrases with some or lot of. See, we have to use some or lot of. Phrases of some or lot of. Okay. See, we have learned that some words can be counted while others cannot be counted. See, we can count some words, we cannot count some words. For example, rice. Can we count rice? No. Can we count oil? No. You can count chocolates, right? You can count chocolates. You can count what we call chalk piece. Understood? So, some can be counted, some cannot be counted. Here, there are examples. So, which are countable and which are not countable. Okay. Read these words. They are names of things we can count one by one. See, elephants we can count, right? So, for elephant we can write elephants. So, we can count it. So, and for bandage we can count it. But for rice, for water can you count? So, water you can't count. Or you can say for that some water or a little water. Understood? Here for food also we can't count. Give me one food, give me two food. You can't say. So you can say give me some food. Okay. So here with the help of some or a lot of we should write these words. Understood? They have already given here examples. See here. Look at these words. See page number 6. Page number 6. Look at these words. Write phrases with some or a lot of. Okay. Here for money. What we have to write? We have to write some or a lot of. We can write some money. Understood? SOME, some money. MONEY. See, while writing you have to say and write. Understood? Okay. Next one it is rice. Next one it is rice. So what they have given here? Some. So you have to write some rice. So same. Toothpaste. It is some toothpaste. I'll be writing here down. No place here, so I'll be writing here down. Understood? Next one. People. They have given some, so some people. Understood, students? Okay. Next one. Traffic. You can't say some traffic, right? You have to say lot of traffic. So, the word a lot of traffic. Okay. A lot of traffic. Understood? Understood, students? Next. Luggage. A lot of luggage. You cannot say some luggage. You can say a lot of luggage. Okay. See, luggage means too much. Okay, bag, you can say only one bag is there, you can say a bag. So, luggage means too much will be there. So, for that, a lot of luggage. Understood? A lot of, I'll be writing down here, students. Understood? A lot of luggage. Okay. Next one, here, complete this list by adding yes. We have to add yes to the words if they can be counted. If they can be counted, we can write yes. See, chocolate, chocolates. Chalk, chalks. Understood? See, if they cannot be counted, write some or a lot of. If they cannot be counted, if they are not countable, we can write some or a lot of. Understood? See, if they are countable, we should add yes. If they are not countable, so we have to write some or a lot of. Understood? Friend, can you count friend? Yes, we can count friend. So we should write friends. 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 Understood? Okay. Coming to next one, sugar. Can you count sugar? No, you can't count sugar. You can't count rice, no? So we have to write some sugar. Understood? Now, cotton. Can you count? Can you count cotton? Yes. So, here see, if little bit is there we can count cotton, or if too much is there we can't count, so we can write some cotton. Understood? We can write some cotton. Understood? Bird, can you count bird? Yes, so birds. Understood, students? Next, fun. So can you count fun? No. You'll say, can you like see, when we are talking, can you have like funs? No, we can say we can have some fun, okay, or lot of fun. Lot of fun, okay. Okay, a lot of fun. Apple, can you count apple? Yes. Apples. Understood? Apples. Okay. Next one, cake. Can you count cake? Cakes. You can count. Oil, some oil. We can count oil, so some oil. Understood? Understood this, students? Okay, coming to the next part. Here, see, replace the words in color in the sentences. Replace the words in color in the sentences with the words in the box. See, here are some words. See, got away, untie, hurt, go back, and went down on her knees. Here are some words. So you have to replace these words with the words given in the bracket, words given in the box. Understood? So let us see this. Padmini was caught while the other elephants got away. What is the other word for got away? See, harm, no. Free, no. Escaped, yes. Got away means escaped. So it is escaped. So I'll write here escaped. This is one. Okay. Instead of got away, we can also write escaped. Understood? Next one. Padmini was able to untie herself with a great difficulty. Untie means what? Harm? No. Free? Yes. We can write free. Second one. See, can you see this? Or I'll write with this. Okay. This is second one and this is first one. Understood? Now, see, Manoj uncle told Amma that he would not hurt the elephant. Manoj uncle told Amma that he would not hurt elephant. Hurt means what? Harm. Okay, hurt means harm. Third one, harm. Okay, instead of hurt, we can write harm. See, Manoj uncle told Amma that he would not harm the elephant. Understood? Next one. When the wounds healed, Padmini would go back to the forest. Go back to the forest. So, return to the forest. So, this is fourth one. Understood? See, we can say, when the wounds healed, Padmini would return to the forest. Okay? Next. When they reached the water's edge, Padmini went down on her knees. See, when they reached the water's edge, Padmini went down on her knees. Went down on her knees means down. Understood? Fifth one. Understood this, students? Okay. So, note it down in your textbook. Okay. Yes. Now, coming to the seventh page, the next one. Complete the phrases in column B with a form of the words in column A. See, they have said here, complete the phrases in column B with the ly form of the words in column A. You may have to change the spellings of some of the words. You have to change some of the spellings of the words here. So let us see here. Column A and column B. Here there are some words. We have to write it properly. Okay. See, proper. eat or drink properly. With the ly words we have to write here. With the using the ly we have to write in the column B. Okay, see, proper, eat or drink properly. Understood? So here ly. Gentle, patted her trunk gently. ly. Okay, we have added ly. Happy, smile happily. Okay, smile happily. See, smile happily. Understood? Next one, soft, spoke what? Softly. Spoke softly. SOFTLY. Understood? SOFTLY. Next one it is sad. See, quiet. Quiet means sad quietly. QUIETLY. Understood? QUIETLY. Understood? Next one, angry. Angry means here shouted angrily. Shouted angrily. ANGRILY. Okay. See here. ANGRILY. Understood? See, angry, shouted angrily. Next one, shy. Asked me shyly. SHYLY. Ask me shyly. Understood? Understood this, students? Next one, coming to the next page, page number 8. See, in the story, Amma tells us something. Amma tells us something. She has learnt about animals. See, Amma tells us something that she has learnt about animals. She also gives the reason. She also gives the reason for every sentences. We must never show animals that we are afraid. See, she is saying we must never show animals that we are afraid. It makes them feel that we might harm them. This is the reason for that sentence. Here are some other ways of explaining something to people. Okay, next one. See here, this part, page number 8. Work in pair. Work in pair. Explain how we must behave in this situation. Okay. Work in pair. Explain how we must behave in these situations. Okay. Here are some sentences here and also reasons. We have to form a sentence in this. Tell your friend not to lean out of the window of the bus. Reason, what is the reason here? It is dangerous. So how they'll write here? One has been already done. See, you must not lean out of the window of the bus. It's dangerous. You must, understand, see the textbook here. You must not lean out of the window See, you must not lean out of the window of the bus Why? It's dangerous. In the same here, it's, I'll write down here, no place here. Understood? It's dangerous. Got this? Now the second one. Ask your friend not to tease the cat because the reason is it is unkind. So how you have to form the sentence here? See. Okay. You must not tease. You must not tease the cat. See, you must not tease the cat. It's unkind. Understood, students? See, you must not tease the cat. It's unkind. Understood? Next one. Tell your brother or sister to switch off the lights when she leaves the room. See, tell your brother or sister to switch off the lights when she leaves the room because the reason is to save electricity. So how you will write the sentence here? Switch off the light. Switch off the light. Switch off the lights. Okay. When you leave the room. See, switch off the lights when you leave the room, or you can say, sorry, this is leave. Okay, switch off the lights when you leave the room, because what it is, it saves the electricity. So what you have to write here, it saves electricity. Okay, understood? See, switch off the lights when you leave the room, it saves electricity. Understood, students? Okay, so the next part will continue. Yes, now coming to the page number 8, listening. Listen to some interesting facts about elephants. Then take the correct words and phrases to complete these sentences. See, you have to take this in textbook itself. So I'll be gone saying, and you have to tick with your pencil. Okay. See, elephants are mostly very quiet, gentle, or friendly. See, in this chapter, what it is friendly. So elephants are mostly friendly. C1. So tick C1 here. In page number 8, elephants are mostly friendly. Tick C1. Okay. Next, elephants wrap their trunk together to show their love when they are afraid, when they are playful. So it is to show their love. Okay. See, here you have to tick. Okay. Understood? Elephants are afraid of illness, peanuts, ants. Yes, they are afraid of ants. Okay. Next, elephants throw mud on their backs because they feel hot before they have a bath. Okay, only on a sunny day, before they have a bath, they'll put mud on their backs. See, mud on their backs, and then they'll pour the water. Okay, before they have bath. Understood, students? Got it? Here, see, first one is C, second one is A, third one is C, and fourth one is B. Again I'll repeat it. C, elephants are mostly very friendly. C, second one, elephants wrap their trunk together. A, to show their love. Okay. Third one, elephants are afraid of ants. C. Okay. Fourth one, elephants throw mud on their backs because they feel hot before they have a bath. Only on a sunny day. It is B, before they have a bath. Understood? Got it? Okay. Next one. C. Next, use the capital letters in the correct places in these sentences. See, where you have to use the capital letters in the correct places in these sentences. See here. Okay. Listen. She is traveling to Delhi by the Rajdhani Express. See, what is wrong here? Listen. Always the sentence should start with first capital letter. Always the sentence should start with capital letter. The word first letter should be capital letter. Understood? So yes, it should be round off this and write yes. Okay, round off this and write yes. Okay. Next one, she is traveling to Delhi. It indicates the noun because it's the name of a place. So it should be round off this and write capital letter D. Okay, in the textbook itself, capital letter D. By the Rajdhani Express. Here also, here round off this and write capital letter R. Understood? See, first letter should be yes. She is traveling to Delhi. See, D capital letter. By the Rajdhani Express. Here R. Understood? You have to round off where mistake is there and you have to write capital letter there. Next one. Sunil and Sarita are also invited to the party. See here. Name of the person. Yes. Okay. Here round off this yes also and write capital letter. Here also write capital letter. Understood? Do it in your textbook. Are also invited to the party. Understood? Next one. I asked Mr. Kumar a question. See, I. Here capital letter I. Okay. And Mr. Kumar. See here, Mr. Kumar. M-R. Mr. Kumar. K capital U-M-A-R. Mr. Kumar. A question. Okay. I asked Mr. Kumar a question. Understood, students? Next one. See, next one here. He lives in Kochi. He lives in Kochi. See here, H. It should be capital H. Capital H. Lives in Kochi. It is capital K. It should be capital K. Understood? Next one. She is going to Agra in the summer holidays. See here. See. Yes should be capital letter. Agra. A should be capital letter. Understood? See, she is going to Agra in the summer holidays. Understood, students? So you have tried this in your textbook itself. Okay. Next one here. Last one, page number 10. Page number 10. See, when we describe a person, we use adjectives. See, when we have to describe a person, for example, a boy is short, she is fat. Okay. Understood this? And what we call, the book is in blue color. Understood? So like that, when we have to describe a person, we use adjectives to say that kind of a person he is, what kind of a person he is. Think that. I'll say here, this boy is very short. How is the boy? Short. So a boy is described in short. Understood? So here, Nitin is very cheerful person. Example, Nitin is very cheerful person. He always has a smile on his face. See, how is the Nitin? He is cheerful person. Understood? This describe, when we describe a person, we use adjectives. Okay? Raki is always very helpful. Like that. On the same way here, complete this paragraph about Amma. See here, complete this paragraph about Amma. Use the words in the box and the phrases in a bracket for help. See, here some words are there. We have to complete this paragraph using these words. Understood? See, I'll go on reading. Amma is a brave. See, first one, brave. Okay, I have written first one here. Amma is a brave woman. She lives alone. She lives alone near a forest. Second one, she lives alone near a forest. Understood? Third one, she is not afraid of animals. See, third one, she is not afraid of animals. So, it is already been written here. She is not afraid of animals. Okay. Next one, from next onwards you have to write. Fourth, what we should do? She dash and takes care of them. She likes animals. She likes animals. So, here we have to write L-I-K-E-S, likes animals. Understood? She likes animals and take care of them. Fifth one, she dash and dash. Okay, here in the bracket they have already given worried about injured elephant. So what we have to write here? She is worried about injured elephant. See, fifth one, she is worried about injured elephant. See, you have to write this in your textbook. Okay. See, is worried about injured elephant. She is already been there. So, he is worried about injured elephant. Okay. Sixth one is she is worried about, sorry, fifth one is she is worried about injured elephants. Understood? Now, sixth one. And dash. What won't help it? See, wants to help it. Wants to help it. Okay. Next, seventh one. Amma is a dash person. They have already given here kind. So brave is already finished. Now Amma is a kind person. Amma is a kind person. Okay. Even the animals like her and come to her. Okay. Sixth, last one. Eighth one. She dash. Take food, animals and birds. So what we have tried? Take food for animals and birds. Take food for animals and birds. Okay. Understood, students? Here 9. See, she dashed. In the bracket they have written speak softly. So, speaks softly. Okay. Understood? Speaks softly. To Padmini and is very gentle. Last one it is. Got it? Now let us read this paragraph. After writing all this, let's read once. Okay, check your textbook. First, Amma is brave. Amma is a brave woman. She lives alone near a forest. Okay, she is not afraid of animals. She likes animals and take care of them. She is worried about injured elephant and wants to help it. Amma is a kind person. Even the animals like her and come to her. She takes food for animals and birds. She speaks softly to Padmini and is very gentle with her. Here, this is a chapter, Padmini the Princess. Understood? So, you have to write all this in your textbook. You have to write all this in your textbook. Okay? So, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.